Hello everyone. Welcome to my tutorial. I am sorry, this is chapter number 17 Adobe Illustrator CC complete training course and I didn't introduce myself till yet. I realize it very late. So my name is Arsalan. Okay, in this tutorial we are going to learn mesh tool and we'll create stuffs like this, which looks so realistic. This tool also works very well on text for creating logos and icons. So let's start from the basic of mesh tool. But before we start, I request to you, if you found my videos helpful, so must like and share it, and also subscribe my channel for new videos update. And must drop your feedback on comments section about videos. I am always waiting for your feedbacks. Let's move to the video. Create a rectangle, fill it with any color. Now pick Mesh tool and click anywhere inside the object. So it will give you two lines like grid. Select anchor point of this grid and change color. So here we have very nice faded color like gradient. Now create a circle and add point and change color. When I change color, so it's spreading almost to the object. Add more lines. Now notice when I add another points, so it comes with color which I last used. If we don't want to spread our white color too much to the object, so change color of another points. Now see, we have only thin white color in our object, it's not spreading to much area of object. It means you can make portions how long you need your color spread. One more thing, if you none the fill color of your object and then you pick mesh tool and click on center for adding lines, so it will not give you any line. In this case you have to fill your object or click on the edge of your object for first line, and then you can click on any part of your object of adding lines. So these are the basic of mesh tool. Now move to some creations. Import the picture of Brinjal. Make a circle and adjust it from direct selection tool. Direct selection tool is very useful in this type of tracing, so that's why I am using this. Move it, pick eyedropper tool and fill it. Now add lines through mesh tool according to image where we need shades. We need vertical lines. When we add first grid, so look closely and click on horizontal line for adding only vertical lines. If click on empty place, so it will gives you both horizontal and vertical lines. So click closely. Now apply white color by selecting anchor points from direct selection tool. But we don't need this white shade very long. So add more lines in bottom area. Adjust these lines by direct selection tool. Select these anchor points by direct selection and pick the color from eyedropper. Add more points here. And pick color. Now come to that side and select points. Again, pick color from here. Now we saw color palette like RGB and CMYK, but there is another one called HSB. Means hue, saturation, and brightness. This is very helpful in this type of work. Let's see how it's work. Select anchor points, now add some darkness or brightness. This part is very dark black, so pick some bright color from here. Now increase brightness, add some saturation. Top part also needs some shades, so select them and change it from HSB. Change here too. Now we need some brightness at the bottom. So add some points and apply white color. But it's very bright. So pick some other dark shades and adjust them by HSB. Now looks good. Come to upper part and create this by pen tool. Apply mesh tool also here. Use HSB for shades and darkness. Okay, done it. Try yourself other stuffs like mango and banana, etc. Mesh tool is also very helpful for creating logo by letters. Let's see. Type S here. If you remember gradient class, so I told you gradient don't work on text. Mesh tool is also like a gradient, so it's also not support text. So convert it to outline. Now apply mesh tool on it and adjust some points by using direct selection tool. Now select points and change color. It will give you very nice look. Some adjustment need here, select it and adjust it. It's perfect now. That's all for mesh tool. You should try it on other letter like C and B, etc. If you found this helpful, so must like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for instant notifications of new videos updates. Also drop your feedback in comments section. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.